Healthy foods high in vitamin D. Nutrient D is a basic commitment to our body. It adds to solid bones and muscles, forestalls numerous sicknesses, for example, cardiovascular ones and certain tumors, and advantages the kidney, just as the invulnerable framework. Its inadequacy can cause genuine well-being results. In spite of the fact that this nutrient is delivered normally by the skin under sun introduction, it can likewise be drawn from specific nourishments. 1. Cod liver oil, the best wellspring of nutrient D. Regardless of its undesirable taste, cod liver oil is prestigious for its quality and healthy benefit. It tends to be ingested as a container, or you can discover canned cod liver in certain general stores. It is an unsaturated fat that bolsters the cardiovascular framework and invigorates memory. It ought to be noticed that 10 centiliters of cod liver oil is identical to 250 grams of nutrient D, and the day-by-day necessity for nutrient D for an individual from 1 to 70 years is 15 grams. 2. Greasy fish, salmon, trout. These fish give important nutrient D consumption without the need to expend a lot. To be sure, eating greasy fish once 7 days would get the job done to exploit all the advantages that these nourishments accommodate your cardiovascular well-being. It is prescribed to prepare or barbecue them. It ought to be noticed that 100 grams of salmon contains somewhere in the range of 6 and 23 grams of nutrient D, and 100 grams of prepared trout contains 11 grams of nutrient D. 3. Creature livers. For the individuals who don't care for fish, the liver is an excellent other option, since it is the common stockpiling place for nutrient D. Veal liver is increasingly prompted, as it is delicate and progressively delightful, and on the grounds that a serving of 100 grams as of now ensures 2.5 grams of nutrient D. 4. The egg yolk. It is an extraordinary food, plentiful in nutrient D. 100 grams of crude egg yolk gives 2 to 3.2 grams of nutrient D by and large, 4 eggs for each week, as just one would not be sufficient to satisfy the necessary sum. 5. Milk and dairy items. Cow's milk reinforces the bones and teeth, while dairy items, devoured entire, that is, with fat, are a wellspring of nutrient D. Notwithstanding their low admission, customary utilization is extremely powerful. 250 milliliters of cow's milk, containing 0 to 3.25% fat, yields 3 grams of nutrient D. 6. Advanced soy drinks. Advanced with water and protein, a 250 milliliters glass of any soy drink contains 2.125 grams of nutrient D. It ought to be noted, be that as it may, that a characteristic soy refreshment doesn't contain nutrient D. Regardless, nothing is more straightforward than a 10 to 15 minute day-by-day sun introduction, in light of the fact that the eating regimen just halfway makes up for the absence of nutrient D.